Here's a psychology fact you're not ready for. Your brain is secretly making your squats destroy your knees and stop your legs from growing. Psychologists call this pain anticipation bias. It's why your body shifts weight wrong, tenses up, and your knees take all the load even though you're trying to get stronger. But here's where it gets worse. Your brain isn't protecting you. It's sabotaging your form, and most people never even notice. Here's the harsh truth. Every time a squat feels uncomfortable, your brain chooses the easy path. It pushes your knees forward instead of letting your hips do the work. Comfort over progress every time. And that's why your knees hurt and your legs won't grow. And this next part explains why months of squats haven't done anything for your quads, glutes, or hamstrings. This happens because your brain hates discomfort. When you squat, your knees drift forward, your hips stop moving, your glutes don't activate, and your quads take all the load. Your mind says, this feels easier. But the reality? It's killing your knees and stalling muscle growth. If that hit you, good. It means you've been letting your brain, not your body, control your squats. The fix is simple. Stop thinking squat down. Think sit back. Push your hips behind you first. Keep your knees soft and in line with your toes. Activate glutes before bending. This one shift retrains your brain to load your muscles, not your joints. Try this drill right now. 1. Stand facing a chair. 2. Push hips back. 3. Tap the chair lightly. 4. Drive up through your heels. Do 15 reps before every session. It teaches your brain to move safely and correctly. Don't forget to download the free workout guide in the description. It's built for beginners over 40 and shows every move step by step. No pain, no guesswork. Your age isn't your limit. Your habits are. Fix your form, retrain your brain, and your strongest years are still ahead. If this has already changed how you think about squats, hit like. And if you want more pain-free at-home workouts, subscribe and turn on notifications. New videos every week. See you in the next workout.